There are literally so much. That's a squirrel. There were 3 squirrels. They were right here. Till I opened the door. They ran up to the trees. There's literally, and why do they go that far up, bro? There are 3 squirrels. 1 in that tree, and then 2 in that tree, and then there's a baby squirrel, like 4 squirrels. Jeez. There's so many squirrels living here. They're just gonna eat all the bird feeders. Like, literally, guys. Why do there have to be so many squirrels? And they're fighting. Jeez. Like, why? I don't know what they're doing. And there's a blue jay. Don't scare the blue jay. They won't let the birds eat. I think the birds need to be eaten more. The squirrels already have a lot of food stored. Literally. Psst. I see them. And look at its footsteps. They're just really out. Pretty sure they have plenty of food. Let the birds eat. Because we won't really be able to feel the bird feeders, bro. Earlier, there wasn't any snow or ice or whatever, and now the ice just went to snow. It was sleeting earlier. Oh, hi, Safi. What are you looking at? Huh? He smells things. Do you, buddy? You're so cute. Yeah. Safi, do you think you could eat the squirrels? No, just kidding. I wouldn't do that, but there's just so many. And they're just taking up our yard. Especially chipmunks, they actually eat what we plant outside. We actually do plant some things outside, and they literally, this chipmunk will just eat it up. Isn't that cool, right? Stealing isn't cool. Make your own, plant your own food. So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe, and peace out.